From the floor plan views, we can automatically obtain various drawing model types, such as plan views, section views, elevation views, perspective views, and so on. To add an area view, simply select the architectural object area view from the drawing menu. With a first click, the drawing model view type is linked to our mouse cursor, so with a second click we can fix its final position to generate the view. As you can see, we are then notified that the area view drawing model has been added to the list. Double click on the drawing model to see the view type. Among the area view properties, we can customize the title, but we can also choose the automatic update mode at each design change, or even a manual update. In this case, the area view is updated only if required. With the other options, we can maintain the line thicknesses constant when zooming in and zooming out, view or hide the dashed rectangle that surrounds the portion of the area view to represent in the drawing model. Lastly, we can modify the drawing scale, and from this same view we can also export the drawing model to DXF, DWG file format, or even print it.